There are times when we are required to send an Excel file, but the Excel file must be converted into a PDF file. Plus, not all slides are needed, only a few slides. Well, to convert just a few Excel slides into a PDF file, the method is very easy. Friends, select or choose several sheets that will be converted into PDF files. The method is to press the Control button on the keyboard and hold it, then select and click on the desired sheets. After selecting several sheets, release the Control button that was pressed earlier. Then go to the File menu, then select Save As. Change the storage location and file name. After that, in Save As type, friends, change to PDF. Then select Save. So how are you? Easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.